Welcome to our foundation excavation and assembly video. As the title implies, this will cover the excavation of the area for the foundation and the construction of the superior wall system. Here we have the area where the foundation is going to be excavated. Notice the large rock in the middle of the picture in between the two stakes that the surveyors put out to locate where we should dig. That's going to keep on coming up in the next few slides. We're a little bit further on in the excavation process, and that boulder is still there. Here, the site contractor is working on it with both his Case 75 and his Bobcat mini excavator. On the mini excavator, he's got the jackhammer attachment to it, and what they're doing is they're breaking off chunks of the boulder and also trying to lift it and drop it. This boulder eventually does get moved, and we continue with finishing the foundation excavation. The next few slides show the foundation fully excavated, and the site contractor is getting ready to cut in the footers for the superior walls. Like I said, once that boulder was removed, the digging was not bad, and we didn't have any more large boulders to contend with. With the excavation complete, the footers are now installed. Superior walls specify a 1B stone footer to be compacted for their walls to sit upon, and that's what's going on here. The next several slides cover the erection of the superior wall foundation. This slide is showing the crane just getting on site, getting ready to set up, and then you'll see some walls in progress. We do have a video of the crane swinging in one of the walls and the workers placing that, and that will be in a later video. After the walls were in place, we had the steel fabricator install or place the two beams that you see in this photo. They came out the next day to attach the support piers to those beams and the footers in the foundation. You'll notice these steel plates every couple of feet on the top of the wall. That's how we're connecting the containers to the foundation. The next photographs show the under-slab plumbing going in, a sewage ejection pump, and the slab insulation. We decided to put down 2 inches of EPS foam before pouring the slab. The next few slides give a nice overview of the property and the project. These are drone shots from one of the township employees that came out. You can sort of see the winding path we're putting up through the woods, as well as some other details in the foundation prior to the slab being poured. We end our show with the slab rough work and finish work after being poured. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new content that's posted. Thanks for watching.